Cumin is a spice that has been used for centuries in many different cultures for its medicinal properties and as a flavoring agent in food. This spice comes from the Cuminum ciminum plant, which is native to the Middle East and parts of India. Cumin has a warm, earthy, and slightly bitter taste that is often used in curries, stews, soups, and even baked goods. Besides its unique flavor, cumin has several health benefits that make it an excellent addition to your diet. In this video, we will explore 10 of these benefits. Before you watch the video, please like and subscribe. Rich in antioxidants. Cumin is rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Free radicals contribute to aging and diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. Antioxidants in cumin include polyphenols, which are known to have potent antioxidant activity. Help lower cholesterol. High levels of LDL or bad cholesterol in the blood increase the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that cumin can help lower LDL cholesterol levels, possibly due to its high content of phytosterols. Phytosterols are compounds that help reduce cholesterol absorption in the gut. Aid in digestion. Cumin has traditionally been used as a digestive aid in many cultures. It is believed to stimulate the secretion of enzymes that help break down food in the stomach and intestines. Additionally, cumin may help relieve symptoms of bloating and flatulence. 4. May help control blood sugar levels. Cumin may also help control blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. Studies have shown that cumin improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cumin has anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is believed to be a contributing factor to many chronic diseases, including cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. 6. May boost immunity. Cumin is rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. These include vitamin C, vitamin E, and iron. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost immune function, while iron is essential for the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body. 7. May promote weight loss. Cumin may also promote weight loss by increasing the activity of enzymes that break down fat cells. Additionally, cumin is high in fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing your overall calorie intake. 8. May improve memory and cognitive function. Studies have shown that cumin may help improve memory and cognitive function. This is believed to be due to its antioxidant properties, which can help protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals. 9. May have anti-cancer properties. Cumin has been shown to have anti-cancer properties, particularly in the prevention and treatment of colon cancer. The spice contains compounds called cuminaldehyde and thymoquinone, which have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. 10. May improve skin health. Cumin may also improve skin health due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which contribute to skin aging and damage. In conclusion, cumin is a versatile spice that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties and unique flavor. It is rich in antioxidants, may help lower cholesterol, aid in digestion, control blood sugar levels, has anti-inflammatory properties, boost immunity, promote weight loss, improve memory and cognitive function, have anti-cancer properties, and improve skin health. Incorporating cumin into your diet can be an easy way to reap its many health benefits. Thank you.